In today's video, I'm going to be washing my locks for the first time in 4 months. I know 4 months is a long time. Don't judge me. Let me explain. So my loctician advised me not to wash them for at least a month or two after they just got installed. And of course, me being me, I wanted to go the extra mile, so I waited 3.5 months. Also, my hair at the back felt a little bit thin and I was afraid that it would fall out. So I was a bit nervous to actually go ahead and wash my hair. But I'm going to wash it today and I'm excited. This is the product that I'm going to be using. It's a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. And like I said, I'm very nervous, so fingers crossed that this all goes well. I'm just making sure that the water is a good temperature because after I'm done washing my hair, I am going to take a shower. And I love to bathe in hot water. So at this point, I'm just kind of building myself up mentally to get my hair wet, and I'm very scared, y'all. Here's the moment of truth. It actually felt pretty good. Still crossing my fingers, and these are heavy as hell, y'all. Alright, so I'm just making sure I get my hair fully wet. Alright, so I'm ready to start adding my product in, and I'm gonna shake it up like I shake everything else up before I use it. So as I start to try to put it on my hair, it wasn't coming out, and then all of a sudden I realized that I hadn't broken the seal. Stupid. So now that I've taken the seal off, I'm ready to start applying it. I'm gonna start with the top of my head first and just get it all in at the roots. And remember, I only have the top of my head locked. So it's not my full head, it's just the top. So I'm just starting with the roots here, and then once I'm done with the roots and I get it all in there, I'm gonna get down into the actual hair itself, the lock itself. I hate it when shampoo gets in my eye. And now it's time for me to get the undercut, so the backs and the sides. My industrial piercing in my right ear is still pretty new, so I have to be careful not to hit that so that I don't irritate it. And now that I'm done with the roots, I'm gonna start with the hair, the locks, and get them washed. This part took a while because I wanted to make sure that everything was evenly coated and I didn't want to miss any. So I spent a little bit more time on this part of it. Just a bit of a close-up so you can see the progress. And for the most part, they are now all evenly coated. The ones at the back that I was concerned about are still holding on strong, so I'm very happy about that. And now it's finally time to start washing it out. And this part also took very, very long because I wanted to make sure I didn't leave any residue in my hair. I don't know if anyone else does this, but every time I'm in the shower and soap gets in my eye, I have to do a demon check and make sure that there are no demons or no ghosts trying to get me through the shower. Demon check. So now I'm just basically trying to work that shampoo and conditioner out of my hair. Just being careful not to wring the hair out, but to kind of just work it down from the root all the way down to the tip, just to get it out of my hair. So that's what I'm doing here. And as I said, this part took a very long time because I didn't want to leave any residual shampoo or conditioner in my locks. So as you can see, I'm really trying to work it out. At this point, I'm really tired, y'all. I'm over it. So I'm not gonna stop until it actually comes out clear. I don't wanna see any soap coming out of my hair, so I still have some work to do. So let's keep at it. Time for another demon check. So at this point, I'm pretty much done with the first wash and rinse. And now I'm exhausted, y'all. But I think I did a pretty good job, and I'm gonna go for the second round. Whew. Okay, guys, so I'm done with washing my hair. I washed it twice, and it's still drying in this little wrap. If my dad saw my hair wrapped like this, he would not be very happy about that. But I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? So anyway, it's drying right now, which is probably gonna take maybe a whole day or 2 or 3, depending on my hair, to dry. But I'm just glad I'm done. None fell out so far. They kind of feel the same way they did before I washed it, which is good. So I don't think they're gonna fall out. And I am I don't know why I'm excited, I guess, I don't know. The things I get excited about these days. I'm excited just to get this all dried and like to get it styled and everything. I have to book an appointment to get it like retwisted and everything. Alexa, mute Fire TV. Yeah, I tried to get to book an appointment a couple of weeks ago, but the appointment dates were too far out and I wanted it done at that time. Then I figured maybe I should wash my hair first and then get it done. So I'll probably check today to see if she has any, appointments. Okay, so this isn't the first time that I've had locks before, but this is the first time that I've had these type of locks, like handmade human hair afro type locks. Like the locks I had before were made with like more straight, like Caucasian like hair, and I didn't really know that until later on. But these ones are like, I don't have a better term for it. I don't really care to be PC. This is like black people hair, okay? This is the, you know, that kind of hair. So this one I intended to be more permanent, a bit more permanent than the last set that I had in, which means I have to take my hair care a bit more seriously, and I don't really enjoy that kind of stuff. So that's why the last few times that I had locks and I had to wash it, I didn't really care about which shampoo or conditioner or products that I use, as long as it had some kind of oil to make it shiny or something. I didn't really care. okay? But this time I have to care because I don't want these to get damaged in any way. So I did notice that even after I washed it twice, there was still, I saw it in one of my locks, there was still a little product buildup. So I may have to wash it again, not today, just to maybe get that out. I just saw it in one, so I don't know if maybe I missed that one, I don't know. But I did learn on YouTube from a couple other YouTubers that have locks that if you rinse your hair in really hot water, it tends to get a lot more of that buildup out. And I didn't have the water too hot. It was just hot enough, but not like, you know, too hot. So yeah, I'm gonna probably look more into that. You guys saw the product that I used to wash my hair. I just did a quick Google search a couple of weeks ago before I went to the beauty store, just to find out like which products would be are recommended if you're gonna wash your locks, and that was one of them. So if you guys have any more suggestions, you can leave them down in the comments below. I'm open to trying different things and new things. I prefer things that are a bit more natural. Even if it might cost more, I would rather spend the money now than have to spend the money later in terms of having to repair any damage that may be done to my hair. So also, when I started to dry it, I had already turned the camera off, and I wish I left it on because I just wanted to let you guys know just a little tip for any of you that might, you know, want to wash your locks or whatever. When you're drying it, I don't recommend you to like wring it out, like to take your hair and wring it out. I would recommend just, you know, that. Just like hold it and then just kind of like squeeze the hair down to the bottom of the lock. That's what I would recommend because you don't want to damage it, right? Look at me giving all tips and tricks like I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna probably sit outside in the sun and let my hair air dry. I might take a blow dryer to it. I don't know, I might let Terrio breathe on it. Anything that's hot. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video or if you want to see more. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.